The tectonic plates are moving beneath us. We have entered a convergence cycle, a total systems level reset of power and value. This is no longer about a simple evolution. It is a period of creative destruction. You are either the architect of your own transformation or the victim of your own calcification. To allow something more valuable to live, you must decide what are you willing to allow to die. The choice is binary. Lead the reset or become irrelevant. Your move. If this landed for you and you are sitting there thinking your business is not ready for that shift, join me at the AI Fluency Lab, a small, intentionally small, hands-on workshop for founders, CEOs, and decision makers who want strategic clarity on how AI is changing business and competitive advantage. We will cover where AI creates real business leverage, how your business becomes more visible in an AI-driven market, and how you lead through this shift without guessing. I'm also bringing 3 systems I built specifically for leaders navigating this shift. The first is the Thrive Stack framework. It's the strategy and diagnostic tool. It tells you exactly where your organization stands and what needs to move. The other 2 are classified. One covers intelligence, one covers execution. I have not shared them publicly. The workshop is where they live. Together, these 3 systems take you from AI confusion to strategic clarity. No theory, no academic models, just clear path forward. 6 seats, leaders from different industries. 1 room, deep conversation, direct feedback, real answers. I built a short quiz that tells you whether you are the right fit and whether this is the right moment to make your move. Go to line10ai.com. I will drop the link below. Take your seat.